Hello, guys. Welcome to the first lesson, which is creating a business presence part one. By the end of this course, the end of this lesson, we will learn how to create a business presence on Meta. So, I'm actually lecturing from a computer, and if you're using your phone, you can just click on the page. Now, creating a business presence can easily be done with a business page. And how that can be done is to navigate to the menu and click on the page. That's where we're gonna see how to create a new business profile. So here is Dynas Wellness, and this is my own brand. Now these are pages I have on this Meta account. So for the sake of this lesson, we can create a new page from a fresh. Now you see we have a form to fill here. I have on the page name, a category, and the bio, which is optional. Now a page name, choosing a page name for a business. I advise using a name which the viewers or the people who are going to engage with you, the customers, can easily remember. So, for the sake of this course, we're going to be using social media lesson has a name of a business. And you remember, you can always put the name of a business as the case may be. Okay, I'm just using social media lesson for the sake of this course. So for the category now, category helps Meta to rank your content or your business contents on the search engine result page when people are searching for what they want to see, what they want, the videos they want to watch, or information they want to gather. So for this category relates with what your whole business is like, the story your entire business is all about. That's what category means. So for today we're talking about advertising or marketing. So you see, now the bio is optional. You can say, okay, we are passionate in helping businesses grow. So that's gonna be our bio for today. Remember the name social media lesson. You can always input any name of the choice or the name of the business. And then the buyer, you can choose what your business is all about in a summary. Then the buyer is always optional, but you can choose the mission of your business. Now, if you notice, wherever we fill in this form actually shows up in the white space. This is because that's exactly how our page is gonna look when it goes live. So when you check the form and it's all filled up correctly, you can just click on the create page button.